Namaste, children. Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Today, before going to the topic, let us recall the concept of prime and composite numbers. Children, what do you mean by prime number? Prime number is a number which has only two factors. For example, if we take 2, 2 can be written as 1 into 2. And that means it will be divisible by 1 and divisible by 2. And it will not be divisible by any other table. So here you look only two factors. And if you take 3, 1 3s are 3. Here also two factors. And 5, 1 5s are 5, two factors. So if a number has only two factors, it is called as prime number. So it will be going on. The smallest prime number is 2 and it is an even number. So starting from 2, it will be going on 3, 5, 7, etc. It goes on. Suppose if the number is not prime, that number we used to call it as composite number. Composite number is a number which has more than two factors. For example, if I take 4, I can write 4 as 1 into 4, 2 into 2. If I take 6, 1 into 6, 2 into 3. If I take 8, 1 into 8, 2 into 4. So here when you come to 4, how many factors? 1, 2, 4. So 3 factors. And 6 also it has more than 2 factors. So if a number has more than 2 factors, it is called as a composite number. This one we used to call it as factors. Here I have written factors. Now let us find out factors for 12. 12 I can write it as 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. So what are the factors for 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Here I have written. When you observe this, here 2 and 3. What are these 2 and 3? We know that 2 and 3 are prime numbers. That is, it has only two factors. 2 and 3 has only two factors. So these two are prime numbers. Now here the same 12, if I want to write it into the form of prime numbers, I can write it as 2 into 2 into 3. That is only prime numbers. 2 into 2 it is 4, 4 into 3 it is 12. So this 12 is a composite number. I have expressed this 12 as a product of prime numbers. So our topic is based on the connection between prime and factors. Are you able to find the topic, children? The topic is prime factorization. What do you mean by prime factorization? Prime factorization is used to write a composite number as a product of its prime factors. There are methods for finding the prime factorization. What are the methods? The methods are factor tree method and repeated division method. Let us see one by one. The first one we are going to see about factor tree method. Here we are going to see how to do the prime factorization by using factor tree method. What is the number given here? 96. And here I have written the factors of 96. Among this you can take any one and you can do the factor tree method. For example, I am going to take 4 into 24. Now this 96 I can split it into 4 into 24. Here 4 and 24 are composite numbers. So again I have to split. So again if I split 4, I will be getting 2 into 2. This 2 and 2 are prime numbers. When you get prime numbers, you can circulate. Now here 24, it is a composite number. I can split this as 4 into 6. And again, you see 4 and 6 are composite numbers. So I have to split. If you split 4, I will be getting 2 into 2. It is a prime number. So circulate. If I split 6, I will be getting 2 3s are 6. And here this is also a prime number. So I have circled. Now 96 is equal to you write the numbers what you have circled. That is first 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So whatever the numbers I have circled, I have written. Now you multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 2, 32, 32 into 3, it is 96. So this is the prime factorization for 96. Now let us see about repeated division method. Children, here we are going to do the prime factorization by using repeated division method. Now here, whenever you are doing the division method, you have to use only the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. It goes on. And before doing, you observe the number here. What is the number? It is an even number. So whenever you see whether it is an even number, you have to use the number 2. Now starting from 2, let us do now. 9 in 2 table how many times? 4 times. 4 2s are 8 and 9 minus 8, it is 1. That one I am putting here. And what is the number? 16. 16 in 2 table how many times? 8 times. 8 2s are 16. Now again it is an even number, so I can write it as 2. Now 4 in 2 table how many times? 2 times. 2 2s are 4 and here 8. 4 2s are 8. And again I am going to use 2 since 4 is an even number. 2 in 2 table 1 times and 4 in 2 table 2 times. Now again I am going to use 2. 12. 12 in 2 table how many times? 6 times. 6 2s are 12. Again I am going to write it as 2. How many times? 3 2s are 6. Now here I cannot use 2 because 3 is an odd number. So I can use 3. How many times? 1 time. So you have to do the division till you get the number 1. Now you write the numbers, whatever number you have got here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 32 3s are 96. So you got the number. So we can do the prime factorization by using factor tree method or by using repeated division method. Children, we know that a prime number has 2 factors. Likewise, our prime purpose in this life should consist of 2 factors. What are they? The first one is to help others. And the second one is, if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you, children.